This is number 8 on the vector review. This is the one that had the blank spaces for your answers. We're finding the angle between two vectors, A and B. And so we have a formula that we need to use for this. And the formula is cosine inverse of the dot product all over magnitude of the one vector times magnitude of the other vector. Okay, so here's our formula that we're going to use. So, first part is the dot product. So the dot product is going to equal our x's multiplied plus our y's multiplied. So the dot product is negative 15 plus 12, which is equal to negative 3. And now I'm going to find the magnitude of each vector. So the magnitude of A is going to be the square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared. And that's going to equal 9 plus 4, which is the square root of 13. The magnitude of vector B is going to be, I'm going to just change it to positive because the square is going to get rid of that. So 5 squared plus 6 squared, which is the square root of 61. I'm going to plug all these numbers into my formula, and I have cosine inverse of negative 3 all over root 13 times root 61. Careful with order of operations on your calculator, but after I plug this in, I'm going to make sure that the bottom is in parentheses, and make sure you close the parentheses on your calculator for each one of these guys. I'm running out of room, so I don't want to make it super messy. So just be careful with that. The easy way around it is, if you're concerned about your calculator, is you can take the 13 and 61 and you can multiply them together, and you're going to get 793, and you can just put that into the formula. So it would look something like this. And then that way you don't have to worry too much. So we got to take cosine inverse of this guy. So when we do that, hold on one second here. So when we do this, don't worry about that, we're going to get theta is equal to 96.12 degrees.